I don't know if it's just me, but I've been noticing a trend lately. It seems like every couple of months there's a new program out there teaching people how to make money online. And when that new program comes out, everybody and their mama jumps on it saying it's the next hot opportunity. Now, I understand people want to have different products in their product suite, but if you're just jumping on every hot opportunity that comes out instead of implementing what you learned from each program, then you're missing the point. First, it was Roadmap to Riches, then it was Learn and Earn Profits Online, then it was the Amazon Influencer Program, and now it's Passive Profit Millionaire. And I noticed that a lot of people who are buying into these programs, they're just looking to purchase them so they can resell them or become an affiliate for them. Now, I know this video might piss some people off or grind some people's gears, but hopefully this can be a wake-up call. If you're only buying into programs because you want to resell them or become an affiliate for them, you're always going to be looking for that next opportunity. Now, don't get me wrong, I purchased a few courses myself, and I actually bought one last week, but I didn't purchase it because I saw it was the next hot opportunity. I purchased it because I saw that it's a long-term sustainable business model, and I'm actually going to learn and implement what I learned from that program. I would honestly prefer doing that than just buying into a program because it has its 15 minutes of fame and then looking for another hot opportunity. Now, if you're somebody who has bought into any of these courses, let me know if you've actually applied the training that you've learned from these programs. Whatever happened to Clickly?